Hey guys, welcome to next lecture, and in this lecture we will cover PHP date function, make time function, and how to use PHP timestamps. PHP date function is pretty simple guys. So the thing is, with that simple function you can do 100 of things in a PHP. So let me show you how date function work. Echo date and save, reload. And PHP, this simple date function will not work. PHP date function always requires some parameters and value. So here we say d, small d, which means day, save, reload, and it showing the today is 23rd. And if we want a month, small m, will work with a month, save, reload, and this will dynamically show the your system month actually. And let's do some more, day, month, and year. For the year, use the capital Y. This is an year, save, reload, and it's showing me the year. So how can we write this together in a row? Okay, one more thing is we can also use the day of the week. For that, small l, day of the week, save, reload, and it's showing an Monday today. Okay, this is how date function works. Let's explore this date function more. Echo date, single quotation, and a single between the single quotation, year, month, day. Okay, save and reload. This will show year, month, and date, and you can format it as you like I say month, then date, and then year. This will also work like that. Let me comment this out, save, reload, and it's again month, day, and year. This is how date function work with the dates, and this same date function also work with the time. Okay, so let's suppose we need an hour. Echo date, small h, this will show us an hour, save, reload. It's not actually my current date and time. You can test on your system, it will not work, and I will show you the solution for this and why it's doing this. I will show you later. Okay, hour, we need a minute. Comment this out, save, reload, it's showing me the minute. Okay, it's also work with the seconds. For the second, put the s and save, reload, it's the second working dynamically with your system. It also show the AM or PM. For the AM or PM, use small a here, save, reload, it's showing AM. Okay, so let's combine this together. Echo date, and we need an hour, then minutes, and then second, AM or PM, save, reload, it's showing 7:53:48 AM. But the thing is, this is not my current system time. Can you see? This is not the current system time. Why? Because for using date system, and if you are using a time, you must have to define the time zone, your current time zone. Your default time zone work with your XAMPP or WAMP or any local machine you have installed, or the another thing, it depends on a PHP version you have installed in your system. and when you have installed, from which server you have downloaded. There are several conditions. So for defining a time zone, we will say date default time zone set, or you can say get also if you want to work with something else. And to get a time zone, the easy thing is to go to your browser, open the next time, here find the time zone for Pakistan, php.net, choose your country. Here's the time zone manual by php.net. Choose your continents and then choose your country or city. Like this, I will use this. After choosing your city, put it here, semicolon, save and refresh also. And I think I missed something. Oh yes, quotation. Insert the quotation, put your continent and city, save, reload, and now you can see this time is exact time according to my location. So this is how you set the time zone and get the exact time whatever you want. You can use set, you can use get. And after this I want to show you a timestamp, how to use a PHP function make time, and you can define a time by yourself. And this is very useful if you are working with the calendars and events, like this type of thing. This is very easy. If you don't understand this, the calendar and events, recurring events, that will be very complicated for you to understand and to define a proper time in PHP. If we say timestamp is equal to make time, this is the PHP function make time, and I say here 10 14 54, then 10 10 19 95 96. Okay, save this and echo this timestamp. Okay, save, reload, you will get this. This is actually any previous time that is related to 1996 month and date, and that was. So to reorder this in a proper way, we can use the function of date. And how to do this, let me show you. Come here and remove this echo, and here we will define the format we want. We want month, date and year, and then we want hour, minute, second and AM and PM. So here the second parameter will be timestamp, because we want to format this time according to this format. Save this and reload, and you can see it's define a time 7 10 1977. Okay, month, date, year, and this is the time 10 14 54 10 14 54. This is how we can take these values dynamically from the database and convert this into a proper time format. We can also do string to time. Next function is string to time, like timestamp is equal to string to time, like this. In between this, like I say 7 PM March, and let's say 1st 2017. Save this and try to echo this first. Echo timestamp, save and refresh. It's again like before. So again we can use this with the date function and to format with the date. So for doing this, again the same process, echo date, and what we need a month, date, year, hour, minute, second, AM, PM, and after the comma put the second parameter, that is timestamp. Save reload, and we got our time format properly according to this. We can do one more thing with that, and that is timestamp 2, and here put the tomorrow. Alright, save. Just a second, timestamp 2 here also, save and reload. It's showing the tomorrow date and time. This will show the tomorrow date, next day date, and there is one more, like we say next Monday, save. This will be 3, timestamp 3, save. So refresh, reload. It's showing me the next Monday, that is 30th, and let's check. Yes, the next Monday is 30th. It's working fine, and we can also use it with the plus 2 days, timestamp 3, and this is 4. Save, reload, and this is 25. Today is 23rd, 24 and 25 we got the Wednesday. It is very flexible when you are working with the calendars and events and recurring events. You have to work with your project, and you want the dates are coming from the database, and you want to display everything dynamically and perfectly. These are the very best things to understand in PHP, and also these are very important things. Functions are not limited with these parameters and things I showed you. There are 100 of more things you can do with this. For sure you will not use everything, but if you want to explore more in depth, I will suggest you to go to php.net documentation, check the date function over there, or search the date, and you can use anything that you want. This is all with the date and timestamp, and I will see you in the next lecture. Good luck.